One of the advantages of using paper coin envelopes is that you can bulk dry many samples at a time. So here you can see, we've got more than 20 samples, and you can do quite a number of samples in a simple gallon resealable bag. However, over time, you'll see that the indicating silica gel, it starts to get used, and it's not going to have as much ability to dry samples and keep them dry. So when that happens, you'll want another bag set up with silica gel in it that hasn't been moistened, and you will take out the samples from one bag and transfer them to the other. Now you can see here we've labeled on the outside of the bag what the crop is so that it's easy to sort in the lab, and that could either be on the label if you've pre-generated labels for specific crops, or you can just handwrite that on the outside just for sorting in the lab for easy verification. And then of course you'd want to have a label affixed to the outside here that also says cassava, so you know which bag to put things in and don't get them mixed up. This silica gel will then go to regeneration now that it's beginning to get used up, and you can see, trading it out when it's about 50% used is a good practice, and then you can reuse it when this starts to get moist. You can transfer it back into the other one. Typically, the drying will occur over time, and you'll end up with a point where you don't see any sort of moistening of the silica gel because the samples are dry and it's sealed, and so they just stay dry.